Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josie, and today's video is a summertime tablescape featuring Royal Albert fine bone china video. I am so excited to be sharing with you, ladies and gentlemen, this summertime tablescape featuring Royal Albert fine bone china video. And this video, of course, is all about summer. It is all about elegance, and it is all about beauty, and it is all about sophistication. And this beautiful tablescape reminds me of English roses and an English garden. But before I get into all of the details of this beautiful tablescape that I'm actually looking at right now, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and I do tablescape videos, gardening videos, home decor videos, and how to entertain at home videos. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all, so that way you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. And I also upload new videos on my channel every Sunday. And another thing that I want to mention before I get into this beautiful tablescape, I wanted to say that I do have a Facebook group, and I really want to connect with my subscribers, and I want to build a community. And so I really want to connect with all of you. So I do have a Facebook group that you can join, and I'm going to be leaving the link down below in the description box. And I also have Instagram. You can definitely follow me on Instagram. And also, if you would just like to email me and email me any type of video requests that is within the home decor, tablescape, gardening theme, then you can definitely email me. I'll be leaving my email address down below in the description box, so that way you can request any type of video and I'll see if I can do it, and if I can, I'll definitely do it. So anyways, let me go ahead and get started in today's tablescape. And like I've mentioned, it is featuring Royal Albert fine bone china. And if you don't happen to have Royal Albert china, it's okay. You can definitely use any type of floral plates that you actually have. And of course, I will be linking these plates down below in the description box, or something very similar if you don't happen to have anything. Again, the purpose of these videos is for you to get inspiration for your tablescapes, and this is such a beautiful tablescape for the summer. And so let me go ahead and share with everyone how I put it together. Okay, everyone, so here is this beautiful tablescape that I have just put together, and I wanted to just go through all of the items that I've used just in case you wanted to get inspiration and recreate this tablescape for yourself. And of course, these type of videos is for inspiration for all of you, just in case if you're looking for some ideas for tablescapes and how to put a beautiful tablescape together for the summer. And this tablescape would definitely be perfect for a family get together, or if you are having a birthday dinner or any type of celebration. And I just love how this tablescape turned out. So let me get started with my tips. And you know that when I do these tablescapes, I always share tips, and I always share how to put the tablescapes together and everything. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first item that I'm going to be talking about is this set. So this is a Royal Albert set, and of course Royal Albert discontinued this. They don't make this anymore, unfortunately. And this is called Royal Albert's Casual Classics, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love this set. It really reminds me of, it really reminds me of an English garden. It really reminds me of an English rose. It's just so gorgeous. And of course, like I've mentioned in the beginning, you don't really need to have a Royal Albert china for you to recreate this beautiful tablescape. But if you do happen to have it, you can definitely use the original Old Country roses with the gold around the edge. But this one, like I said, it is part of the Royal Albert Casual Classics, and it doesn't have the gold, it has the green that is going around the edge here. And I just love this. So this is the salad plate, and this is the dinner plate. And like I said, this looks absolutely gorgeous, and I just love this set because although it has the Old Country rose look, but it has a different look to it because it doesn't have the gold, and I just love it. So what I decided to do, and of course tip number one, is I always used chargers. I always use charger plates, and the charger plates that I've decided to go ahead and use for this tablescape is this beautiful pink charger plate that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think is either Hobby Lobby or Bed Bath & Beyond. And it just looks absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's a beautiful pink that have some floral designs on it and also a beautiful scallop design. And it just looks really gorgeous, and I think it goes great with this tablescape. And of course, one of the other tips that I want to share is tip number two. When you do tablescapes, try to tie in colors that really go well together and that tie in with the china set that you have. So, of course, one would never think that, burgundy and green and pink would go together, but they do go together because of the colors that are in the china itself, the china plate itself. And so, of course, this is a beautiful tablecloth. It is a green colored tablecloth, and I would say is like a mint green color because it goes perfectly well with the china set that I have here. And decided to go ahead and use this beautiful burgundy cloth napkin. Okay, and what I've done to create this really lush look, so again, this is going to be tip number three. I decided to go ahead and put two napkins together because of the fact that I really wanted this to look kind of lush. And so what I've decided to do is just put two napkins together that are the same color, and I think it just looks really wonderful. Now, of course, once your guests come in, once they start using the napkins, they can definitely place both napkins on their lap. They can use the first napkin, and if the other napkin gets dirty, they can go ahead and use the second one. And I absolutely love this napkin ring. This is a flower napkin ring. As you can see, it's a tulip. And I decided to use it because it is a flower, of course, and it is in the color pink. And I just think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It really elevates the tablescape, and it gives the tablescape a sense of sophistication. And my mom and I got this, I think, at Bed Bath & Beyond a few years ago. I don't know if Bed Bath & Beyond have this, but what I'll do is I'll see if I can find some floral napkin rings and link them down below in the description box if you're looking for some floral napkin rings, just in case you want to do a floral themed tablescape for the summer. And of course, the fourth tip that I want to mention is the silverware. And one of the things that I want to mention about silverware is that silverware can be found anywhere. And my mom and I actually found this, I think at Macy's or Dillard's. And this is from, I think this is from Royal Dalton. And you can definitely find Royal Dalton silverware anywhere. And what I love about this is the beautiful pattern that it have is just so pretty. Look at this really beautiful pattern. I absolutely love this. So again, you don't really need to use Royal Dalton, but I would highly suggest that if you are going to be doing a tablescape similar to this, you can definitely use any type of silverware. Just make sure that the silverware have some kind of floral design on it to kind of tie in with the floral theme. Okay. Okay, so tip number 5 is all about the glassware. So I have a story to share about this glassware, and I was not going to use this because this glassware reminds me of the holidays, and my mom said, you know, I think this glassware would definitely go great with the Royal Albert Old Country Roses pattern. And when I had put them two together, I think it just looks absolutely fabulous. So tip number 5 is it's okay to put color glassware with any type of tablescape that you are basically doing for summer. I think this looks really wonderful. It looks really great. It goes together. And again, the color burgundy and green and pink, again, who would have imagined that those colors go together? But they just look absolutely gorgeous. And of course, tip number 6 is all about the mixing and matching. And so this is another pattern from Royal Albert. And I did mention this pattern in my other video that I talked about, the Royal Albert Bone China Collection video. If you want to check out that video, the link is going to be down below in the description box. But this one is, it is the Royal Albert Old Country Roses Golden Pearl. And I think this looks absolutely gorgeous. It goes great with this set as well. Of course, I'm always doing mixing and matching, and of course that's tip number 7. As you can see, I mix and match the glassware, of course staying with the same color theme. And of course, the last tip that I want to share, of course, is adding crystal elements to the tablescape. And again, I love adding anything with crystals to a tablescape because it really brings an air of elegance to a tablescape. It gives it a whimsical touch, and it kind of gives that look of royalty, and I just absolutely love it. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching this summertime tablescape featuring Royal Albert Fine Bone China video. And I will be doing more tablescapes and more gardening videos and home decor videos, and also how to entertain at home videos. I will be having a playlist of all the videos that I have, so the links are going to be down below in the description box. And again, I want to say thank you to everyone who have left some wonderful comments in my videos. It really means a lot to me, and it's just really wonderful to read all of the comments, and it just really touched my heart when I read the comments. I really enjoy them. And of course, definitely join my Facebook group so you can share some photos of your home decor or any type of home decor projects you have, or some tablescapes, and also if you are entertaining at home, some pictures of that as well. So again, anything that is about gardening, tablescaping, home decor, entertaining at home, you can definitely join my Facebook group and share some videos and photos. And you can definitely follow me on Instagram as well. And I do have all of the other social medias that I'm available, so definitely check out the links down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye, and God bless.